advice do you have for families in crisis?
Sometimes it simply is not possible to avoid the crisis. It happens. But sometimes with appropriate advanced planning, crisis can be avoided. You should look at your child's IEP today. Does it have appropriate behavioral support in class and out of class? Does it provide for parent training and counseling? Does it have appropriate behavioral goals and objectives for the student to be working on? All of these factors, including a behavior plan, an appropriate behavior plan, may avert the next crisis.